Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones turning your streaming paradise into a buffering nightmare? Let's fix that right now. I'm going to show you the simple steps to properly set up your Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200 in just a few minutes. First, unbox your Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200. You should have the extender itself and a power adapter. Make sure your Verizon router is already powered on and connected to the internet. This is crucial for the extender to work. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into an electrical outlet. Choose a location that's about halfway between your router and the area where you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi signal. Avoid placing it directly next to the router or in a closet. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet and open the My Fios app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. Log into your Verizon account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi section of the app. Look for an option like Extend Wi-Fi or Add Wi-Fi Extender. Select it. The app will then start searching for your new extender. Make sure the extender's light is blinking, which indicates it is in setup mode. Once the extender is found, follow the on-screen prompts in the app to complete the setup. This usually involves confirming your existing Wi-Fi password and assigning a name to the extended network, or simply extending your existing network. The app will guide you through each step. The extender's light will eventually turn solid, indicating that it has successfully connected to your router. The color of the light might vary, so refer to the manual. Now, you can move the extender to its final location, still ensuring it's within range of your router. To test your connection, walk to the area where you previously had weak Wi-Fi and run a speed test. You should now experience a significantly improved and more reliable Wi-Fi signal. Enjoy your seamless internet connection.